Behind the vastness of the oceans lies a world still full of mystery, from ancient currents to the life that form the largest ecosystem on Earth. This is our journey into maritime science, studying the sea not merely as a space, but as a source of knowledge, hope, and the future. Indonesia is the largest archipelagic country in the world, with its territory dominated by marine waters. This condition makes the sea vital as a source of livelihoods, a transportation route, and a support for the national economy. Indonesia's marine wealth includes biodiversity, mineral resources, and vast energy potential that must be managed wisely. Maritime science is a field of study that examines the sea as an interconnected system. This field includes understanding the physical conditions of the oceans, marine biota, navigation technology and facilities, as well as human activities that depend on marine areas. In addition to aiming to optimize the use of marine resources, maritime science also emphasizes the importance of protecting the marine environment from damage and pollution. Through the application of maritime science, it is expected that the management of the seas can be carried out responsibly so that its benefits can be enjoyed by both present and future generations.
Physical oceanography is the study of the physical property and movements of seawater. It focuses on how the ocean waves and interacts with the atmosphere.
Physical oceanography is the study of the physical properties and movement of seawater. It focuses on how the ocean behave and interact with the atmosphere. Key topics include ocean circulation and current, the large-scale movement of seawater that distributes heat, nutrients, and energy across the globe, tides and waves, natural movement of the ocean caused by the gravitation pull of the moon and sun, and by wind. Physical properties of seawater, temperature, salinity, and density which influence water movement and marine life. Ocean-atmosphere interaction. Processes such as El Nino storm and heat exchange that connect ocean conditions with global weather and climate.
Physical properties of the sea. 1. Temperature. Seawater temperature varies with latitude, season, depth, and ocean currents. The surface layer is warmer because it receives direct sunlight. Temperature decreases with depth, eventually reaching cold, stable deep water temperature, usually around 0 until 4 Celsius.
2. Salinity. Lower salinity is found near river mouths, polar regions, melting ice, and areas with heavy rainfall. 3. Density. Density depends on temperature, salinity, and pressure. Cold, salty water is denser than warm, less salty water. Density increases with depth to reaching pressure.
The interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere is a reciprocal relationship that greatly influences weather and climate conditions on Earth. The ocean acts as the large heat reservoir, so when seawater atmosphere and cause the air above it to warm as well. Conversely, when sea surface temperatures are low, the air above the ocean becomes cooler. In addition, atmospheric winds drive the movement of seawater and form ocean currents that help distribute heat to different regions. Evaporation from the sea surface also supplies water vapor to the atmosphere, which later forms clouds and produces rainfall. Because these processes are interconnected, changes in ocean conditions and can trigger shifts in global weather and climate, such as in the El Nino and La Nina phenomena.
Major threats, anthropogenic causes. 1. Overfishing, harvesting fish at a rate exceeding the population reproductive capacity. 2. Bycatch, accidental capture of non-target species like sea turtles, dolphins, and protected shark. 3. Habitat destruction, degradation of critical ecosystem, coral reefs, mangrove forests, and seagrass bed. 4. Plastic, causes entanglement and fatal ingestion. 5. Chemical or oil spills, disrupt biological function and the food chains. 6. Climate change, causes coral bleaching and ocean acidification. 2. Conservation strategies and effort. A. Legal protection and regulation, protected status, enacting national law to declare species as fully protected. Quotas and bans, implementing catch limit or total fishing bans on vulnerable species. Law enforcement, strong prosecution against illegal poaching and trafficking. B. Public engagement, public awareness, educating communities on the importance of marine conservation. Community empowerment, involving coastal communities in conservation and sustainable ecotourism activities.
Marine pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the ocean, which damage water quality and negative affect marine life. Major types of pollution include plastic, oil spills, heavy metals, and excess nutrients from argument or household waste. First, plastic can injure marine animals, cause cooking, or be ingested and disrupt the disease system. 2. Oil spill from ships or drilling platform contaminate the water surface, kill marine organisms, and harm coastal ecosystem. 3. Heavy metals such as mercury and lead are toxic. 4. And last, excess nutrients cause eutrophication. Marine ecology study how the toxic substances affect marine organisms from the cellular level to entire ecosystem.
Maritime science is the field of study that examines the oceans along with the activities and technologies. This field is important for supporting the sustainable, safe, and beneficial use of the sea for human life.